we can combine our previous SUMO and line following programs as part of the swimming pool challenge and reuse them. But to reuse them, it'll be handy to change them into functions. Let's take a look at that. What you see on the screen is the program we used for SUMO previously. Now, if we look at functions, we can see that we've got something like this. Do something. Okay, what we want to do is clear pool. And perhaps we'll put a capital C in there since it's a title. And that's what's going to clear the pool. And all of this inside the repeat loop is what will clear the pool. So we can click that, move that in there, and that is now a function. Okay, and if we look at functions, we'll see we've got an extra one here, clear pool, and we can put that in there. And when we repeat and run through that, it'll be just as if all of that program, which is inside that function, is inside there. And it'll make a program here so much easier to read. Now, there are a few differences we have to make this work in the swimming pool. The first thing is that the SUMO ring was light coloured centre with a dark surround. Our swimming pool is the opposite. So instead of a greater than, we'd use a less than there. And instead of less than, we'd use a greater than or equal to there. And also, because the light values have changed, we'll change those to 900 and 900. Why have we changed it to that? We've already looked at the readings given by our optical distance sensor, and you can obtain those by looking at the previous Robot SUMO using Fusion heading and the tutorial how to use Fusion's optical distance sensor that we've had before. So that will give us those readings. And if we now run this, you'll find this happens.